So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Masterclass by Sarkar. तो guys, आप लोग को तो पता ही है कि I was a bit irregular with my videos because I have been working on something. I have been working on a course that I would fully prepare for class 11 and 12 students, and the announcement would be coming soon, and there will be a team of around 5 to 6 people. All will be either IITians or NITians. So you could be rest assured that something great would be coming in the near future. So guys, this problem I would discuss with you like this, and also today I would tell you all the things that you should know while solving an SHM problem, right? What are the basic steps? दो ही तरह के problem होता है, एक this type का problem that students find a tad bit difficult, and the normal type problem. Also advanced 2020 में ऐसा एक problem आया था, so I would also be discussing that. So this problem I have taken from the book 200 puzzling problems in physics, right? And you should refer to this book if you love physics, right? And also this year in advance a problem came directly linked to it, means a smaller version of it. So this is a very good book, and I would recommend each and every JEE student to solve this book. And if you solve all the 200 problems, तो top 100 rank तो आ ही जाएगा आपका. So jokes apart, I would discuss this problem. What this problem is saying that एक rabbit है इधर, right? And this is a wheel type of thing, and this is a stick or a rod, you might say. So the rabbit is trying to walk on it, right? तो walk करने के लिए ये wheel उसके चलते rotate हो रहा है, and as a result what it is given that the rod stays in equilibrium, right? मतलब usually if the rabbit would try to move ahead, the rod might slip down or up, right, depending upon the torque. But it is given that the rabbit is in this position. Also another problem could be thought of कि मान लीजिए कि इधर एक स्टिक टाइप है और इधर एक कैटरपिलर है, इसको कैटरपिलर ही मान लीजिए, एंड दिस थिंग इज ट्राइंग टू move in this line so that the stick stays in this position at an angle theta. So both the approaches are almost similar. So this is the kind of problem that students find a bit difficult. Also when I was going through my JEE, I also found this problem a bit difficult. Let me get my duster. Okay, so what are the forces acting on this body? Let us assume it is at a distance of h from the center, this line, right? And this rabbit is at a distance of x from the midpoint. So इसका mg इस तरफ एक्ट करेगा, right? And मान लेते हैं कि acceleration of this rabbit with respect to this rod is a, right? So about this point, if I want to conserve the torque, because it is in equilibrium के लिए sigma tau should be equal to 0, right? So mgx would be equal to just ma into h, this into this distance, right? R cross f. So R cross f, so it's outward. So if I write in a bit professional way, so this would be minus k cap plus m a h into k cap. So for equilibrium this should be equal to 0 because del tau equals to 0. So easily you could figure this out, that gx equals to h, so a is equal to gx by h, right? So you could compare this with a equals to omega square x, so omega would be root under g by h. So this is an SHM with a time period 2 pi by omega. This is the time period, right? So this type of problem, this is very simple, this is the most simplest case I would say, but students find it difficult. Okay, So you should keep this in mind whenever this type of problem is given, where the rod has to be in equilibrium. You have to just conserve the torque about any fixed point, because इस point के about भी मैं कर सकता था, that would lead into complications such as x plus l by 2 and this would be h plus l by 2 का whole square. So I am not getting into that, but you would end up getting the same result. Okay, this is the first kind of problem. What is the next kind of problem that I would discuss that came in the J Advanced this year, and this was a very great problem. So it was given that there was a dipole and a spring attached, right? And this was a mass m and charge was given as q, right? So basically the concept of the problem is that the force would be proportional to some k into x plus 1 by xn, like this, and using binomial approximation you have to make this term proportional to kx, right? This is the general theme of the problem, I would say. So in this case, if I say what I am giving you an idea, and you have to write it in the comment down below, and next video I would give the detailed solution if I want. Okay, so what you have to do here is first you write the equilibrium position, right? So is यहाँ पे क्या होगा, KL would be equal to just 2 kp by r cube, क्या होगा L cube, if I consider the natural length to be L. This would be the electric field into Q, right? Now what you have to do, you have to displace it by a distance x where x is small than L. This is the condition. And why you have to do this? Because small oscillations के लिए ही ये SHM होगा, वरना ये SHM नहीं होगा. You have to keep that in mind, right? So if I assume that to be the case, so the problem would be like F would be some k into L plus x, and the force would be, okay, kp by r cube का k होगा 4 pi 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught L plus x का whole cube. Okay, I am solving the problem, right? Now minus qp by 2 pi epsilon naught L plus x whole cube. Now my friends, what I can do, I can take out L common. मैं L cube को common ले सकता हूँ. So this would be 1 plus x by L. So this would be k into L plus x minus qp by 2 pi epsilon naught L cube into 1 plus x by L power minus 3 होगा, ये minus 3 होगा. So using binomial approximation I can do this. Minus को मैं अंदर ले आता हूँ. This would be plus x by L. What I have essentially done is 1 plus x by L whole to the power n. If x is less than L, I have written this 1 minus n x by L, right? So this was minus, that is why this is plus, right? Actually अगर आप इसको binomially expand करेंगे, so we are just taking the first term, right? This actually derivation ऐसे आता है 1 power n and x by L power 0 होता है, और the next term that you get essentially is n c1 1 power n minus 1 x by L power 1. So you get this x by L term into nc1 is n actually, right? And this whole term becomes 1. That is why you get 1 plus nx by L. Okay, so this is the problem, I guess, because now you have to utilize the equilibrium condition that I told you, that KL would be equal to 2 kp by r cube into L. So qp by QP by 2 pi epsilon naught L cube minus 3 QP by 2 pi epsilon naught L cube. This term clearly gets cancelled here. Okay, QP by 2 pi L cube, this whole term I could write as K into L, right? And this is X, okay. So K into X और ये बचेगा मेरा 3. So minus 2kx. This would be just force. Force would be m into A. So A I can write minus omega square x, that is equal to 2k x by m. So this is our omega. So omega equals to 2 pi by t, that is t equals to 2 pi by omega, and you get the desired result, right? So the basic concept behind this is, if you have been given any SHM problem, first you have to displace that thing, displace that body, any SHM problem. First write the equilibrium condition, displace it by x where x less than L. अगर ये डायरेक्ट आ जाए आपका कि that f would be proportional to x or minus x, if you don't care about the magnitude or direction, so that it would be easy. But this kind of problems you have to use approximations and get that term in x, right? So this was all for the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel और लाइक कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए वीडियो को अपने सारे दोस्तों के साथ. तो मिलते हैं गाइस नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.